Hello, colleagues. Hello, everyone who's interested in utilizing AI tools. I'm here today to show you how you can actually create a free and easy to use prompt library. Yes, will speed up some of the work if you are making work with AI. So this can actually help you and speed up the process. So let's dive straight into the topic. Um, I'm personally using ChatGPT Plus, so meaning that I'm using GPT-4 and I have pre-made these GPTs, which actually like small tools that make specific tasks. So for example, we can take one is that I love very much is Estonian tutor. Basically, I provide an Estonian text to this GPT, and there is a prompt already pre-made that treats this text, takes this text, and then creates, outputs a grammar and corrects the grammar if there are mistakes and also corrects the language itself or proposes me another way how to express myself, which is very handy from time to time. But today I will show you actually how you can use the same method if you want, simply by using Copilot. So if you go to Microsoft Copilot, most probably you have access to GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4 model. And what you need to do here is just write the prompt that act as an Estonian editor or Estonian professional who knows Estonian language. And then you paste the text you want to work with, and you will basically get the same result as I've done. But as you can see, this is very tedious process every time, write the prompt, and like it takes a lot of time. So if you go to extensions of Microsoft Edge extensions, as you see it on the screen, you can actually write prompt and then you will have different types of extensions that can help you with creating a library. I'm using a prompt dress right now, which is free, and you just need to install it. And after you install it, you will get this small icon on top of your browser. So what you basically will need to do, just tap on that icon, tap edit dress, and then here you go, you have this access to you. You can create your prompt library. So next time you go to Copilot, instead of just rewriting the prompt from the scratch, if you have something in your library, let's create one prompt. Let's call it GPT editor, text editor. Let's call it a GPT text editor. And then here we paste like the prompt or the instruction to the model, what it needs to do. What I really like about this specific extension is that any word a word can be transformed into a variable. So for example, the word Estonian can be a variable. That means that I can use the text prompt, but instead of Estonian, I can write another language if I want to edit some kind of other text or if I need help with some other text. So you can see we have it already. It's our first prompt in the library. We go back to Copilot. And now instead of writing the tedious prompt, I just go to my prompt library. I press on the dress button so I can change the variable if I want. So Estonian, German, French, whatever. If I'm okay with the prompt, I just copy it, paste it in the chat, and then paste the text I want to work with. So this is just one of the examples. Let's see how it works. As this is just one of the examples, you might need to rephrase the text, or you might to have a summary of some kind of a text or whatever text-based task you have. You can just create another prompt in the library, and then you have those libraries. Basically, it works as the same as my GPTs. Of course, it has limitations, but if we need a text-based tasks, if it's a text-based task, then you won't have any problems with that, I bet. So you can see it works nicely. We basically have the same result as I have in my GPT-4, and so I encourage you to try and to test, and this might actually speed up your work and make some tedious text-based tasks more easy for you. But always be careful with GPTs. The hallucinations are still there, and GPT can lie. Should always double check what you get in order not to get into the problem. Uh, Thanks a lot for your time, and I wish you all the best. And see you in the next video.